Yesterday, we practiced making multiplication equations using rows when looking at arrays. We practiced drawing a multiplication equation where we thought about the group, how many groups, and then we times it by how many in each group, the number, use a number sign, in each groups. So we're going to count the groups times the number that is repeating to find the answer of how many are in each array. So we started practicing multiplication equations using rows. And I want to show you today that just like using rows, you can draw columns to make these multiplication equations. So first I'm going to circle the columns. I'm going to count the groups, and I'm going to times it by the number in each group. So step one, circle the columns. Step two, I'm going to count how many groups I circled. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 groups, and in each one I see 1, 2, 3, 4 stars. So it's 4 groups of 4, and that will equal 16. If I wanted to do repeated addition, I could say 4 plus another 4 stars plus another 4 stars plus another 4 stars equals 16 stars. 4 4s makes 16. Let me show you again. So we've already been practicing. We're just doing columns this time. I'm going to draw first, circling my columns, step 1. Then count my columns. 1, 2, 3 columns. So if I make the multiplication equation, I know I have 3 groups, and I can see that there's 2 circles in each group, so this equals 6. Or I could do the repeated addition away. I see 1 circle of 2, another circle of 2, and another circle of 2, and that is 6 circles altogether. We're going to practice this 2 more times. 3 steps. Circle the columns, count the groups, times it by the number in each group. One, 2, 3. I see 1, 2, 3 columns. 3 columns, 5 triangles in each column is equal to 15. Or I could see 5 triangles plus 5 triangles plus 5 triangles is equal to 15. Let's do this one more array together. 3 steps. I'm going to circle my columns. Count them, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I see 3 hexagons in each column. So there's 4 groups. 3 in each group is equal to 12. Or I can say 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. All right, guys, so I want you to continue this idea of showing addition and multiplication equations with arrays. 3 steps to practice on your page 18. Circle your columns, count your groups, times it by the number in each group. Excited to see your work.